Today, I'm going to show you why using HTTP instead of HTTPS is extremely risky. Before we start, I want to make it clear. This video is strictly for educational purposes. Never attempt man-in-the-middle attacks on networks you don't own or have explicit permission to test. With that said, let's dive in. So what exactly is a man-in-the-middle attack? Normally, you're a user that is connected to the router and then a router connects you to the internet. But when you are in the man-in-the-middle attack, data flows from you to the hacker and then from the hacker to the router and then from the router to the internet. Essentially, if you have a network with a router and another device connected, you can perform ARP poisoning. When ARP poisoning is active, all the traffic from the target device destined for the internet passes through your machine first. This allows you to inspect, modify, or capture that traffic. Let's get started. First, I open the terminal. I need to install Ettercap GUI, so I run apt install ettercap-graphical. This will remove the text-only version if it's installed. Once installed, I launch the GUI with ettercap-g. It is worth mentioning that it must be run with sudo. Ettercap-g opens the main window. From here, I can click on the Scan for Hosts icon. Then Ettercap will ping all devices on the network and list the active ones. As you can see, Ettercap found 6 hosts and it added them to the hosts list. So now I need to open the hosts list. To do that, I need to open the Ettercap menu, click on Hosts and click on Hosts list. From here, I can see IP addresses, MAC addresses, and device names. Device names should be in description, but you need to enable the description by clicking on View and then on Resolve IP addresses. In case you don't see your target device, you can just scan the network again. So when I scanned the network again, the device desktop popped up, and this is my target. It's a Windows desktop. Now I can assign it as a target 1 and the router as a target number 2. Okay, now I open the man in the middle menu and I need to select ARP Poisoning and enable it. I need to press OK, and now the victim's traffic is being routed through my machine. This is the core of the man in the middle setup. Next, I launch Wireshark and select the correct network interface. In this case, wireless LAN 0. I start capturing packets. Initially, you'll see a lot of unrelated traffic, so I can apply a filter to focus on HTTP post requests. So I need to enter a filter that is called http.request.method is equal to post. On the target device, I navigate to a test HTTP login page and attempt to sign in. Immediately, the post request appears in Wireshark. Inspecting the package, we can see headers like user agent, requested URL, and origin IP. But the most critical data in it is the HTML form URL encoded section. Expanding this, we can see form fields, username and password. Then we can see the values. The username is Cybersecurity and the password is subscribe. This means that you should probably subscribe to my cybersecurity channel. Of course, this shows exactly how easily login credentials can be intercepted on unencrypted HTTP connections. Now, to stop the attack, go back to the Ettercap and click Stop Man in the Middle. You'll notice that traffic now flows normally from the PC to the router without interception. This demonstrates the difference between unencrypted and normal network traffic. So, the lesson is clear. Never enter your credentials on HTTP websites. Always use HTTPS. And remember, this demo was done on my own network for educational purposes. If you found this interesting, hit the like button and subscribe. I have more hacking tutorials coming your way. See you next time.